Hi everyone, this is Ibrahim Babatunde from Data Tech Analytics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make use of Byrow and Bycolumn functions, which is just introduced in Microsoft Excel 365. If you don't have Microsoft Office 365, then you cannot apply these functions. And it is very important function which you can make use of to make a lot of decisions based on your data. Now, if you look at this data, you can see that I have data and sales, which has the sales person as well as the month. Okay, and you can see the sales made by each of these guy in each of these month. Okay, now what is our objective here? Our objective is to know the month where we meet our target. You can see monthly target. If it is 170, then we want to know which of this month do we make the target. Okay, ordinarily this is what we do to know it if we don't know how to apply this by row and by column, and that is traditional method. You will just say alt and equal to make some of this, then you make enter and you autofill this to the right. Okay, we have this. Now you can see that if you look at this table now, you will see this is 186. It means that we meet our target in the month of March. You also come here, you can see that we meet the target in the month of one month of July. At the same time, we meet our target in month of September, in month of October, as well as in month of December. Now I want to extract this month, okay, because if you have many data, you are not going to look at it one after the other. There must be a way of extracting this month, okay. To do that, I'll just come here and reapply my that formula. Just okay, or you can let me try to start it from here so that you can understand the concept. Okay, now you just come here equal to, then you can see this is column January column February column March. Then by implication I want to do by column. Okay, that is how you differentiate. I want to do by column. By column, what is my array? Okay, my array are all this data. Okay, from B2 to M8. Then you put comma. Then what is our function? Our function, I'm going to apply lambda function here to lambda. Okay, then I have to name this array. I have to name it. I want to give it name so that I don't go back and make reference to it. That is the essence of this. Then let me name it an A. Okay, let me name it an A. Then what I want to do, I want to sum that A. Okay, that is, it is going to sum each of those column for us. That is essence of this. Then you put that array, which is A. Then you close this. You press enter button. Press enter. You can see that I got the same thing as we ordinarily did our summation. You can see it. Now let's now go and apply this and see what will happen. We repeat the same thing. I'll just come here equal to by column. By column, what is my array? My array is the same, it does not change. Okay, but I don't know to copy to highlight everything. Okay, you put comma, then lambda, okay, lambda. Then we define the add B2 to M8 as A, as I said earlier. That is A, comma. Then what is the calculation we want to perform? The calculation I want to perform here now is that if the monthly target, okay, I will just say if I will introduce if now, conditional statement, okay, that is if this A is all this array, okay, each of this column as I said it, okay, each of this column, then I will now say if sum of sum of A, that is each of those column, if sum of this A is greater than or equal to 170, comma, what will happen? Okay, I want to return 1. You will see how I'm going to apply this later. I want to put 1. Otherwise, I want you to put 0. That is, if it is less than 170, then put 0. Then you close your parenthesis, you close this, and you press enter button. You press enter. You can see, if you look at this now, this is 186, 1. Okay, we meet target. I also come here, this is 117. We met our target. This is September 1. We also met our target. If you also come here, this is 196. We met our target. And if you come to December, we met our target. Now, I want to extract all these months now. How are we going to do that? Then I will now come back to this my formula and modify it. To modify this, I'm going to make use of a filter function. It's also an important function in Microsoft Excel, and if you don't have 365, then you cannot use it as well. That is why it is good to get a 365 Microsoft Office so that you can optimize your Excel functionalities. Now, I will introduce filter now. Filter, okay. Then what I want to filter, I want the array I want to filter is the month. I want to show the month. Then I have to highlight all the month like this. Okay. Then I put comma. Okay. Then what is my condition of the filtering? The condition of the filtering is that if you look at all this, what I have here, this is the solution to this by column. This is the solution, and if it is greater than zero, if it is greater than zero, okay, that is the condition. Then extract those equivalent months for us. Then I press enter. You can see that we have it in month of March, July, September, October, and December. And if you look at it manually, you can see that that is what we actually have. Okay, now these are the months which we met our target. Okay, now if I don't want to show it like this, I want to show it vertically, then I can turn it to column. There's another function which is to column. Okay, I will now okay, it is already in column. Okay, I want to turn it to row. Then you press enter button, enter. Sorry, it is actually to column. Okay, it is actually to column, not to alright, to column. I want to save it. It's already in a row. If we look at it, this is row. Then I want to change it to column. Let me take this and press enter button. You can see that I have it everything in column now. It depends on how you want to arrange your information, and you can come here and center this. You can align everything. Okay, right, you can come here and also highlight this. Okay, center. You can see that these are the months where we met our target. Now, we also want to work on annual targets. Annual target is the sense that who are the person who met the annual target, and the annual target is 300 units. Okay, whoever made sales of 300 units, then we can say that that person met the target. And by implication, okay, we are going to make use of by rule. Now you can see these are the rules. It is already in a row like this. Then you can do the same. You can do the same thing here. Just come here and say equal to. Okay, just do our ordinary sum, our normal summation. Okay, then sum everything like this. You press enter. Then I autofill it down. I will autofill it down. You can see, okay, now we want to know those guys who met this condition. You can see this is Joseph 347. She met the target. This is another guy, Josie, he met the target. Then I want to extract those names, okay, those name of guys excuse me, who met the target. Now to do that, we are going to apply the same principle. Okay, we are going to apply the same principle. Okay, then can I copy this formula? Can I copy this formula? Yes, I can copy this formula. Let me just copy this formula, Control C. Then let me paste it here. Let me paste it here, Control V. Okay, let me paste it here, Control V. But something has changed. Okay, because I did not fix this. Let me undo it. Okay, let me undo it. Let me come back here. Let me come back here. Let me fix this guy because I don't want to do the repetition of this formula. B1 to M1. Okay, but this is not what I actually want to use here. Okay, I might need this. Okay, for more explanation so that it can be more clear, let me apply it from beginning as well. Now, what we need to do here is just to come here and say equal to, then by row. Okay, what is my array? My array is this, all this guy. Okay, all this data. These are my array. Then we put a comma, then you define it, which is lambda. Okay, then we also define it as A, or you can give it anything so that, okay, let me give it B as a solution B, so that you won't think that it is actually A we must use. Okay, now you put comma, then what will be our calculation now? The same thing, I will just say if if sum of B is greater than or equal to this 300, this 300, comma, what will happen? I want you to give it 1, otherwise give it 0, then enter. Okay, you can see what I have here now. You can see this is 1, and if you look at it, this is 347. We met the target. If you come to the second guy, you can see that we did not meet the target. Okay, by implication, I'm going to do the same thing I did here and apply filter function again. Okay, I just come here and say filter, then what I want to filter, I want to filter the names now. Then I'll just come here and highlight all the names. Okay, all these names, you put comma, then if all this is greater than 1, okay, if it is greater than 1, sorry, greater than 0, that is what I need. Then you close it, you press enter button. You can see these are the guys who met the condition, the criterion of the annual target of 300 units. If the management want to reward them, then these are the guys who will be rewarded and serve as an incentive for them and encouragement for others to perform better in the subsequent years. You can see these are the Joseph, Josie, Jackie, and Jonathan. And if you look at it, this is Jonathan 304, and this is Jackie actually 303, and this is Josie 347, and this is also Joseph 347. I believe you have learned two or more things from this video. If you do so and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, and therefore to click that subscribe button so that when we release a new video, then you will have opportunity to watch it and upskill yourself. The next time we meet, I remain Ibrahim Babatunde for Data Tech Analytics. Bye for now.